Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless life. Makes you to profitable mindset every time.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How you guys doing? Good morning, guys. Please let us tap and share this live stream. Let's quickly get to 2K likes so that we can start. Today is Monday. Happy New Week to everyone. Happy New Week to everyone. Let's tap and share.
Shots don't lie.
We will have a wonderful week. Amen. By the grace of God. Mr. Bello, God bless you, sir. Very, very sure. Let's get to 2K likes. 2K likes so that we can start.
The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. discipline, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless life. Break your profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin.
Let's get to 2K likes. Once we're on 2K, we're gonna start.
Let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Break the odds, profitable mindset every time.
Once we get to 2K, we're gonna start. Once we get to 2K, we're gonna start.
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
Once we get to 2K likes, we're going to start.
just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's when champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless life. Raise your profitable mindset every time.
What is the bias of this? I think this is downtrend. Yeah, this is a purely downtrend right here. Okay. Let's get to 2K likes.
Charts don't lie.
Charts don't lie.
Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run.
Right.
The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
Let's go to 2K likes.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's when champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless life. Raise your profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear.
Let's get to 2K likes.
Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
2K likes. If you're on the YouTube, let us tap and share. Let us click the like button on YouTube and let us share the live stream.
Trust your plan. Let the market flow. One good trade can change it all. You know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into prices high. Push the old to profitable mindset.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. Good morning. Happy New Week. I pray that this week is going to be a wonderful one. I pray that this week is going to be a profitable week. I pray that all our buyers will go well. As we start this week, in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, in the name of Jesus. Amen. And at the same time, we should have this same mindset that any trade at all, except what? Except more day ready for SL. I don't know why English won't choke me this morning. Let us be ready for SLs, for setbacks. But at the same time, I'm saying this week being a wonderful one. All of our trades for this week, we'll be trading this strategy, TDR. Okay? And let's see how it goes. So thank you all for joining. Let us keep tapping and share this live stream. Let us make it an interesting day. Let us make today's live stream a very interactive one. If I ask any question, please do well to answer on the comment box. Let us make it lively. It depends on your ginger. That will determine how long we're going to stay on today's live stream. So if this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Rachel. Let's get started. So first thing first, we have series of pairs here that are on our list, on our favorites that we have, okay, that we want to trade. One of the one is this BTC that took us out. Like I said, on this strategy, you can only have SL when your weekly bias is wrong. Now, look at this weekly bias. And one thing about this strategy is, if market take you out, you might not be able to see any opportunity for the week. You just stay out. That is one thing about this strategy that I love. Why did I go for sell? Look at this bearish candle. It closes below this my level. This resistance, this support area here. It closed below it. And it has given us our TDR setup. I've seen my TDR setup for a continuation, but market did not go that same way. So we might see have opportunity, and let me show you the opportunity. The opportunity is this: if market still give us our daily resistance, if market should create our daily resistance before Wednesday here, we will be having another entry. That is it. So that is the only thing we'll be looking out for, because we're actually going for sell. So this one, this GBP AUD, is the trade we took last week, which is still running. All right, so if market break below here, we are going to do break even. This is the only trade that we had that was still running for last week. So now this week now, right, we have I think a pending order here. Let's check DV75. All right, so we have a sell limit order on this guy, and let me explain why we are going for a sell on this guy. Now this is V75, and the reason for the sell is simple. When you look at this area, market broke it to the upside, and market came down, give us a double rejection, right? And if you look at here, market created a resistance with rejection, a resistance here with another rejection. And if you go to your monthly, you will realize that this guy is seriously on a downtrend. Look at it, seriously on a what? On a downtrend. Market is on a downtrend. So what market is trying to do here is trying to do some pullback. But on the monthly time frame, this guy is actually not rejecting from a key level. All right, market break out from this high. It broke out from this high, giving us a bullish engulfing candle here to the upside. And market is now giving us what we call a CLT. Can you see the CLT here? You see the CLT, right? That is a sign that market is likely to push down. And if you go to your weekly, like I said, market has already given us resistance with the rejection here, a resistance here with another rejection here. Market created the support here, rejecting from this key level, this resistance that got broken. All right, so now last week candle, look at the way this last week candle closed. This last week candle was the one that was giving us a rejection from this resistance. You understand? And when this guy gave us the rejection, this candle did not get to this level. It has not gotten there. But then this week now has actually gotten there. So there's high probability that market is going to break this lows. Okay, the market is going to break this low. So my bias for this week is I want to sell. I don't want to buy. Now let's go to daily. We'll be looking at for what? Our daily resistance, right? Look at our TDR setup. Here we go. We have what? Our Saturday candle, which is this. This bearish candle is our Sunday candle. And that is where we have our resistance area. That is where we're going to be selling from, right? And if I'm selling, this is the zone I want to use for my targets on daily. Either I use here or I extend it to this level. Now, you go to your 4 hours to place our sell limit according to TDR strategy. As you can see, we have alignment here giving us what? A 4-hour resistance, and market has already mitigated. So when you have stuff like this, it's either you use the other block or you use the same area. The reason why I'm using the same area is because of this alignment. If you go to daily, you see that the daily is looking very fresh. It's a very fresh zone that market needs to come and mitigate. You understand? So we wait for market to come at that person. So we already placed our sell limit pending order on this guy. So here we'll be getting at least 1 to 7. If market trigger, we're going to leave the trade until our TP is 8. And there's probability that I might even extend this TP. Please, let's keep tapping. SML, thank you. What's up? Now, that is for V75. This has been posted already. So, we have this V25 that is about to trigger our entry. This is TDR. Okay, this is TDR. Now, if you look at this now, market has already triggered the other block here. But I'm not using the other block. What I want to use is this resistance level. All right. And mind you, this guy is volatile. This guy is volatile. This V25 1S is volatile. This trade is about $20 something. So me, I risk 15 on this. So it's about 20 something dollars, the minimum lot size, if you go check. And when I posted it on our VIP, I said it that it's volatile. Now, if you go to how did I get this bias? Let's go to our monthly time frame and look at what we have. Now, on our monthly, as you can see, market is bullish, right? We have series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. So market created what? A lower high right here, giving us series of rejection from this resistance. We have rejection here. Our market create another resistance level here that makes this area open. So now what I'm expecting now, right, is if this candle should close this week like this, okay, and they give us what? A rejection from this level, I'll be looking forward to buy for next week. You understand? But this was last week candle. This is the last week candle. Okay, can you see? So this last week candle give us what? A bearish push without getting to this key level. So that is why that is on monthly. This is on monthly time frame. So let us go to our weekly now. Now on weekly time frame, this is the reason why I'm selling. All right, as you can see, look at the setup here. You see the way we have this nice push to the upside. Market came down here, mitigate this other block here, give us another push, rejecting from this area, and now market is dropping. So I expect market to come back into this range. You understand? Oh yeah, back. Eh? Go back, Joe. Jesse, allow your brother. Now, why am I selling? Over the weeks now, you see that all these weeks market is bearish except this guy that is giving us a spiny top here. That's giving us indecision. Can you see? But this guy still give us a bearish push, another bearish push, and now this is the candle that we have. Now, look at what we have here. You realize that this last candle was giving us a rejection from this key level. But I'm not using this. It is this area I want to use for my main target. Can you see? This guy, go. So for market to give us this bearish candle, give us a week without getting here. All right, I expect market to give us what? Another bearish push. That is why my bias on V25 1S is for sell for this week. All right, so what am I going to look out for? I want to apply my TDR strategy by going to my daily, looking for TDR setup. What is the TDR setup? That is our daily resistance level. And here we go. We have our Saturday candle and we have our Sunday candle. Your TDR setup have to give you a resistance or support from Saturday down to Wednesday, not Friday. Friday is not included. Friday is not valid. The one that is valid is from Saturday. So this bullish candle was formed on Saturday. This bearish candle was formed yesterday, which is on Sunday, which makes this area a valid area for us to use for our sell. All right, as you can see, market has actually tapped in on the resistance level, but I wanted to push up to this level, right? So what do we do next? We go to our 4 hours to mark out my 4-hour resistance level that is fresh. Two things: either I use the one that is fresh or I use the other block. If you are using the other block, you'll be having something like this. Okay, you can use the body like this, something like this, but I don't want to do this because I don't want my asset to be too big. So far I'm having a fresh area here that has not been mitigated. This area that has not been mitigated, I prefer to use this guy. You understand? So that is why we are using this area for our what? Entry. And this is going to be our target. Okay, here is going to be giving us 4 to 86. This strategy should be able to give you minimum of 1 to 3. Minimum of 1 to 3. All right. So I expect market to get to this area before the end of the week. So we wait for market to come and tap us in. That is for V25 1S. Let's keep tapping. Now, to the next one, which is our V30. Sorry. Now, let us check this V30. This strategy is going to teach you how to be patient. Okay, it's going to teach you how to be patient. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you. Now, more check this guy together. Overall, on the monthly time frame, as you can see, market is bearish, right? Let's see how the 3 months looks like. Now, look at the 3 month time frame. As you can see, market is bearish, right? But yeah, market was what? Consolidating here. Market has been consolidating, okay? So, if you look at this consolidation market, right? Market break above this high to the upside. It's trying to create another resistance level here. We have a support here, and market creates a new support, giving us a lower low. Change it to line chart so that you will not be confused. Can you see? On our line chart, can you see this area? This low, and we have a lower low here. Our market has given us what? A shift to the upside, a change of character to the upside. Okay? So let's go straight to our monthly time frame. So on our monthly time frame, what are we looking for? If you look at the structure here, you realize that this high was broken to the upside, right? This high was broken to the upside, right? And we have a low here. Market give us a higher high, higher low, higher high. We expect market to come and give us a rejection here. And if you look at all this support was being mitigated many times. Then this support that is looking fresh, I expect it to come and mitigate it. All right, and if you look at this monthly, for 3 months, last 3 months is a bearish move, taking out this high like a CRT. All right, we have another bearish push, and now this guy is giving us another bearish push, which has already completed this CRT to the downside, right? So I expect market to come and mitigate this our support level. So what do we do next? We consult our weekly. So on our weekly, over the weeks, you see the market has been dropping. When it dropped twice here, we have a bullish, we have triple drop here before we have this spiny top. And now when we have this spiny top, my bias is still going for what? For a sell. Why am I going for a sell? In respect of what is actually going on here. Look at this area. In respect of what is actually going there, I don't care. Do you know why I don't care? Because I care about this monthly. What we are trying to do is we want to get our weekly bias correctly. Once you get your weekly bias correctly, you are good to go. So the reason why I don't care about that zone is because of what I have on monthly right here. Can you see? I expect market to push down to this area. So on our weekly, it's just like a block. It's just like a stumble block that wants to block the market from pushing. It's like a let me go to weekly. It's like a deceiver. All right. I see this area as what? A deceiver area. I see this area as a deceiver area. And as you can see, if this guy is not standing as deceiver, when we have this false rejection, I expect this bullish candle to push to the upside. I expect this bullish candle to close above this candle to give us like a bullish engulfing. Then we will know that it's actually not a deceiver. We will know that this guy is likely to push up. But for this last candle that did not break above, did not give us a bullish engulfing, and is still inside the range of this candle, that still give me the confidence that this week is going to be a massive sell to this area, which is aligning to this our support area on weekly. Can you see that? So I'm going to remove this deceiver so that this deceiver is not going to confuse us. Now, this is now how I'm going to apply my TDR. I already get my weekly bias correctly. So next thing is to apply the TDR strategy. How to apply is to go to daily to look out for what? Daily resistance that is formed from Saturday. All right. Now, we have the resistance level here. Is it formed within Saturday to Wednesday? Obviously, today is Monday. So now, this bullish candle is actually Saturday. And this bearish candle is actually what? Our Sunday, which makes it a valid zone for us to use. So we have a valid zone to use now. All right. So I mark out our daily resistance level there. Then you go to 4 hours for our entry. This strategy is only 4 hours you can use for entry. Not to concern 1 hour, not to concern 15 minutes, not to concern 5 minutes or 1 minute. And it is pending order this strategy fits. If you are using conservatively, maybe you want to confirm before you engage. Sometimes you might have a big SL. But this strategy, what actually fits it is what? Pending order. Just place your pending order, allow the market to trigger and go your way. So two things, either you use the order block or you use the what? The resistance. So the reason I'm using this resistance here is because look at here, we have this resistance, the market give us a rejection, it now creates a resistance level here, and it's aligning with our what? Daily resistance. Can you see the way it's aligning? There's alignment, okay, and we have what? Liquidity that is being formed here as well as addition. All right, that is why I'm using this area. I want market to come and tap, and our SL is just going to be above this week's, then we go low. So if market should go well, we'll be getting about 1 to 10 in this, on this trade. We'll be getting nothing less than 1 to 10 on this trade. So, and if this guy doesn't trigger before Thursday evening, that is before we enter Friday, we are going to delete any pending order. Any pending order that we have for this TDR strategy and did not trigger before Friday is going to be deleted. Right? Please give me a minute.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision. Every setback builds a strong. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won.
Family, are you guys with me? So that is the bias for this V31S. So we are going to be patient until market come to trigger. You understand? We're going to be very, very patient. All right. So let us check the next one. We are actually checking the pair that we have here on our favorites. Okay. So the next one is V50. Let us see what we have on V50. Let's see what we have on V50. Let's get to 20k likes, family. Let's get to 20k likes, family. Let's get to 20k likes. Okay, so on V50, let's go to 3 months and let us start. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's get to 20k, guys. V50. All right, so let us check our 3 month time frame. So obviously, what can you see here on 3 months? You realize the market is bearish, right? We have a nice bearish push. We have a bullish candle, another long bearish, before we have this bullish candle that is printing at the moment. So on our monthly time frame, okay, you see that we have a bullish engulfing. Can you see this bullish engulfing, right? And if you look at the structure, the way this guy has been printing, it gives us a nice lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Now I expect to see a lower low on this guy, right, on our monthly time frame. So on our weekly, what are we having on weekly time frame? As you can see, market is giving us a nice rejection right here. Look at this nice rejection coming from this key level. Can you see this area? All right, that is on weekly time frame. And if you look at what happened here, from this lower low, we have a shift to the upside, giving us a lower high, higher low, higher high, lower low, breaking this guy. And from here, market give us what? Another push to the upside, giving us a higher high, right? Then we have a higher high right here. So from this higher high, Market give us what? A what? Is trying to give us another low. If this guy actually wants to buy, I expect this guy to reject from this level. I expect this guy to reject from this level, then start buying. Sorry, somebody just paid for VIP now. Let me quickly attend to the person so that I won't keep the person waiting. Give me a minute. What's today's date? Today is 17. That is 31 on Monday. 31 on Monday. On Monday. Your sub, your 2 weeks, sub will expire. On the what? On the 31st. On the 31st of August. Yeah, sorry about that. I have to quickly attend to that. So, all right. So, I expect market to reject from this area from here to the upside, but market did not, right? It actually break below. On a weekly time frame, we'll look at the way this guy closed. We'll look at it. It give us a nice break to the downside. So this is now where we're going to apply this our what TDR. We're going to apply our TDR now. Going to our daily, we want to mark out our daily resistance level, right? That was formed on from Saturday. Now look at this candle. This guy was formed on Saturday, and this bearish candle, which is giving us a bullish engulfing, was actually formed on Sunday, which makes this area a very valid area. It makes it a very valid area. One thing about this strategy that I love so much is if market don't want to use this area, it can actually form another daily resistance area around there, and it's going to use that area to sell. You understand what I'm saying? It can do that, all right? But I expect market to actually push here, then we sell. Then when we are selling, this area is not going to be our what? Our target. This low is going to be where we will be targeting for this our sell, all right? That is where we're going to be targeting. So we expect markets to actually push up here. So now we have our daily resistance. Then we go to 4 hours to mark out our entry zone. All right, hey, another person. Now, wow. So you give me a minute. Let me quickly. Now, look at this area. You see that we have our resistance level here, giving us a rejection which has been mitigated. So instead of you using the other block, look at this other block, it's too big, right? So use the same area, all right? And if you go to your daily, you see that that daily is giving us what? A very fresh area. Can you see that has not been mitigated? So it's better to use that same area for entry. It's better to use that same area for entry. Give me a minute. All right, so we expect market to push back. So here we're going to be having our sell limit right here, which I'll be posting on my VIP right now, and I will share this bias on the free Telegram group. Let me reduce this like this. Okay. This is our DR. Please, let's keep tapping. This is our DR level. One smart move can change your life. Priceless. Okay, so this is V50. So let us place our sell limit pending order here. Let us place our pending order. Then our target here. Here we'll be getting about 1 to 8 points. That is 1 to 9. That is the target for this. When I say this thing gives a good RR, you would think say na lie. It gives a very good RR. Most especially if market is giving you the opportunity. Sometimes the market might not give you more than 1 to 5 or 1 to 3. You understand? This is our SL price and here is our entry. We just wait for market to come and tap, and here is our TP right here. So this strategy is going to help you to know how to hold trade. You understand? You just allow it to play out. That is TDR strategy. Just allow it to do what? To play out. So here we go. I'll be posting this guy now. Okay, that is V50. So let me quickly post this guy. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. One smart move can change your life. V50. You can only enter this trade on 4 hours. Only on 4 hours. Thank you, my love. God bless you. Thank you. I think I'm gonna be needing some soft drinks, baby. Some drinks, please. Just give me one. Thank you. V50. V50. Please now. Eli bawo. Ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gan báyìí. Ẹ wá. I change it for you. Sell short limits pending order. This kind of strategy, just do your pending order and go and rest. Go and sleep. You understand? Just come back and be expecting SL. Just come back and look at it, say, omo, na SL straight. Now this kind pending order you go dey use to dream. You go dey use them to dream. You go just dey dream about time. Seriously. It's actually fine. It's a normal thing to dream about stuff like this. So you know really me. V50. Please let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. I'm trying to post this guy. I'm trying to post, copy. I'm trying to post. Shots don't lie. Okay, so I think it has been posted on our VIP now, so you remain the free Telegram group where I'll be dropping the bias. Okay, just to drop the bias there. bias, then use use 1 to 7 RR. Okay. All right, so it has been posted on both sides now. Okay, so we're good. All right, we're good. Please, let's tap on share. So let us continue with the one that our favorites that we have here. Okay, so here we go. We wait for market to come and trigger, right? So let me put hashtag here, 250 hashtag. Now, the next one is V25. The next one is V25.
Mr. Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
If you finish with V25, that 151x.
Yeah.
You will check out. I entered them yesterday, so I said them yesterday and it's going well. I'll
Okay.
give that bias finish. I can't find entry coin now.
Okay. All right, so this is our V25. So on our 3-month time frame, what is 3-month telling us there? As you can see, 3-month is giving us a bullish trend, right? We have a high, low, higher low, higher high to the upside, and the market give us a long bearish candle. All right, giving us a nice CRT here. Okay, so we go straight to our monthly time frame and see what is going on there. So on our monthly time frame, as you can see, market has been giving series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then here we have another higher high, and now this is another higher low. If you mark out your fib level, you will realize that this is area where market is likely to start pulling back from, because this is a golden zone area. Can you see this is a golden zone area? So market has already created a support level there. Look at that, guys. The market has already created a support level around there. So for market to do this on monthly time frame, is giving us this bearish candle at the moment. So we go straight to weekly to know our bias. What is our bias is going to look like. Now, mind you, I told you that this is area where market is reversing from. As you can see, market has already given us a change in character. We have a shift that's already happened there. Okay, this is our shift right here, right? Sometimes this magnet, they always disturb me. So we have our shift right here. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. All right, so a shift happened right there. So now market has come back and mitigate this support area. All right, and when market give us this rejection from this weekly support, all right, it now creates another support here. All right, market created another support, and this candle was actually bullish. That give me my bias that I will be going for buy. So that gives me my bias for the week, that this week I will be buying B25. So once you get your bias correctly, just apply your TDR. How are we going to apply? We go to daily. We look out for what? Daily support area. All right, we look out for what? Daily support area. All right, and it needs to be formed from where? From Saturday. If you look at this support that you have here, which day was this? This is Thursday and Friday. It doesn't qualify. If you look at here, there's no support here, right? It's only a resistance that we have here. Am I correct? And this resistance, this is what? Friday and Saturday. So we are actually not selling, we are buying. Now, market has already created what? A bearish candle here, and this is a bullish candle. So if this candle close like this, automatically we will be having what? Our support. So this candle was what? On Sunday, and this is Monday. So if this Monday candle close, automatically we are going to have our daily support that we are what? Looking for. all right, that we are looking for, like this, right? But it's not yet daily support, but I just want to show you. So let us, assuming the candle have closed, we just go to 4 hours and look out for where we're going to engage for our buy. So if you now want to buy, this area is not going to be where you will be buying from. Yeah, is where we'll just be buying from. All right, but let us wait till tomorrow until the daily candle closes. That is simple as that for this V25. You understand? So it's still our TDR is still doing what? It's still dey cook. E dey cook the jollof. E never done. You understand? So we need to be patient. That's why I said this TDR strategy, there is no shortcut about TDR. No shortcut. You cannot bypass. You cannot say you want to force yourself, because you have to follow the rules that guide this TDR. If you don't follow the rules, then you are not trading TDR, right? So let's see how it goes. We wait till tomorrow. So my brother, I said I should check 150. All right, no worry, we will get to 150. So let us check this V10. After V10, we have another V10. This is V10S. Please, let's tap on share.
Morning, boss.
Good morning.
Ah, how was so nice, sir?
I'm doing well. What's up?
Nice, nice family.
Yeah, we thank God. All right.
So, okay, sorry.
Yeah. So on our let's go to monthly time frame. Now on monthly time frame, as you can see, market is giving us what? We have a shift to the upside, and this is the major eye that we have, the external eye that we have. Market has taken it out. Obviously, market is bullish, right? Market has taken that eye out. So it's trying to do some pullback before it continue the push, all right? So this trend line was drawn, I think, on weekly time frame, right? So if you look at the monthly time frame here, we have a very long bearish candle, another bearish candle here, giving us like a and that's looking like what is it called, hammer, right? We have another candle here that is printing at the moment. So we go straight to weekly. What are we having on weekly? First thing first, look at this trend line that I draw from this trend line, right? From here, another touch here. This one was almost a touch, okay? But yeah, market give us a very nice touch from here. And when market give us that nice touch, look at what market did. It give us a nice bullish engulfing candle, a massive one, a very massive bullish engulfing candle. All right, so for this bullish engulfing candle, market have to come back and try to what? Reject from here. So when market push back to this area, this bullish candle did something crazy by rejecting from here, so that it can actually keep pushing to the upside. So when market rejects from here, all right, aligning with the trend line, it now creates what? A weekly support. So for market to close like this gives me a bias that I will be buying V10 for this week. That's the first thing you need to do when you are doing your TDR strategy. Look out for weekly bias. Once you get your weekly bias, then look for the setup. So we want to look for daily support on this guy. Where is our daily support? All right, you see here, this was the rejection that took place. It breaks this high to the upside, giving us a bullish engulfing. If we have push here, it push down, higher low. Mark your fib level. You see that market is using almost 50% here, and market did what? It gave us another bullish engulfing. Look at this bullish engulfing. So this bearish candle was what? On Saturday. This bullish candle was formed on Sunday, which makes that zone a very valid zone for us to use for our buy. Now we mark it out, our daily support, then you go to 4 hours to mark your entry. So as you can see, on our daily and our 4 hours is giving us what? Alignment. Can you see the alignment? So you just use the same alignment area, put your SL below this week and continue buying from there. So we wait for market to at least push to this area before we place our buy limit. Okay, we are going to have a buy pending order around here, but I just want to see what is going to happen. Maybe market is going to push back, then we're going to place it. If market is not doing that, market can actually still create another daily support. It can decide to create another daily support up here. We're going to use that anywhere, okay? and market might not actually, he might decide not to come back here and start pushing. Now you can't sabi. You understand? Our own is you go follow the rules that guides TDR strategy. You understand? So that is that for this V10 1S. So to the next one is V10. On our V10, we go straight to monthly. Let us see what we have on monthly. Now, as you can see, monthly time frame market is bearish. So obviously on 3 months is bearish, right? Look at it. A massive drop, a little pullback, drop, double pullback. Now, market is giving us a drop. So I expect this guy to give us more drop to the downside on a monthly basis, right? So we check what we have on weekly. So on weekly, look at what we have. When market give us this lower low down here, it create this lower high, low equal high, lower low equal high, rejecting from this resistance, rejecting from this resistance. This resistance now is not mitigated. But I will want somebody to help me to check, is this guy rejecting from here on a weekly time frame on trading view? Who can help me check, please? Oh, don't worry, let me quickly check here. This is V10, right? V10, okay. Let me check on this MT5 here. Let me check V10. Okay, this is V10. So on a weekly time frame, where are you? Okay. So let's check. Maybe market is rejecting. It's loading. Let it load. It's trying to load. So I want to confirm if this week is actually rejecting from that key level. Wow. No wonder. Aha. Can you see? Look at it. Can you see the way it's rejecting nicely? You see the rejection. Aha. So we've already confirmed that. Very good. So now there's a rejection there. Let's stop. Let's get to 30K. You guys are really doing well. God bless you. Let's get to 30K. On YouTube, please let us share, subscribe. Let us share the live stream. V10. Okay, let's go back. All right. So on weekly time frame. So now on our weekly time frame, market was giving us the rejection here too. Look at it. It was giving us the rejection. So I want to look for sell. Right? So when we have this rejection, market breakdown, and we have this rejection from this support area, market is rejecting from this area too. So for that reason, I will still be looking for what? Sell. Why am I looking for sell? Because when we have this rejection, assuming this candle was breaking above, it closed above this candle, I will go for buy. Guys, I want you to take note of this. Oh. This guy was rejecting here. It's not showing that it's rejecting here, but it was actually rejecting on Deriv and on MT5. A nice rejection. Okay, so market too was respecting this support. This support too was respecting before. But assuming this guy is not a manipulator, all right, assuming this guy is not a manipulator, I expect this bullish candle, when we have this rejection, I expect this bullish candle to engulf this. But it's not engulfing, it's still inside the range of this candle. So this means this area is a weak support area. So I expect market to give me a continuation to the downside, no matter what. All right. So now I would be looking for sell. What am I going to do now is to look out for my daily resistance that will be formed. Now, beautiful. So which day was this? This day was Friday, and this day was what? Was Saturday. It's not valid. So you will see here that these two candles that is printing, market needs to give us what? A daily resistance there first. We need to have our daily resistance that is going to give us a setup for the sell. If it's not giving us, a market is dropping, let it keep dropping. You know, concern me. You understand? That means my strategy is telling me not to sell. My strategy is telling me to just be watching. This strategy is good to the extent that it's going to tell you to say, okay, Oga, I'm not giving you opportunity, so make you dey watch the market. That is a message to everyone that it is not all set up you see you should take. No be all set up that you will see you want to just take. You understand? So I build this strategy to the level that at least if this strategy is not giving you what you want, then stay away. That it doesn't mean it's not gonna sell. Oh. It might keep dropping without giving you our setup for the sell. So the strategy is telling us to be watching, and we're gonna watch. All right. So we wait until market give us what? A resistance. So how are we going to get the resistance? Market can actually come back to this candle, pull up and create a resistance, or it depends, but you have to create the resistance level before Wednesday. If it doesn't, no trade. We wait till next week again. That is for this V10. All right. So okay, let me just put a sign here so that we know that I want to sell. So that I will know that na sell I want to look for. So the next one is V150S. So the one SML was talking about. Please, let's start. All right. So this is our what? 150S. My brother, if you engage on this trade, that means either you enter early or you are using Friday and Saturday for the entry, which is wrong. Okay. So let us check this guy.
But sorry, that B51S, even yesterday, I see set up that B51S. But let me check. Because I say I do a sell limit there, but the thing is not giving me the RR well. So I just stay away from it because you say I do a plenty of buy limit. And the thing, the market didn't even tap me, but the thing no agree say I press a trade.
Is it this strategy or just your way of trading?
Yeah, that's how I wanted. That's how they beg you somebody bring me up. Because this is your strategy, this TR waiting said. Because now they work for me like mad, but back to back. I can't like back to back like that. Surprise. This selling me stuff.
Okay.
Back to back.
Okay. Let me explain this one and see. Maybe it's going to align with yours. All right, so let us check the monthly time frame. Don't let us restrict ourselves going to 3 months because this guy is actually bearish, right? Look at it. Market is bearish. Okay. So for the past 3 months, bearish. It broke below this support, right? So we want to go to weekly. What we want to get is our bias, our weekly bias. And if you look at the structure here, you realize that market give us a break below and it create this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So market give us a little pullback here, drop. All right. Now it has given us another little back. I expect another massive drop again. Okay. So I am still going for sell. Even though, in respect of what is actually going on here, the way this weekly candle close, I don't care. Do you know why? Because the momentum for this end is still very, very massive. So I will still be going for sell for this week. So that's it. Then we now go straight to our daily to mark out what? To mark out our daily resistance. And our daily resistance has to be formed from Saturday, not Friday. Okay. There are some Friday that we form that is actually going to work. I won't lie, because when I was creating it, right, I see a lot of them, right, and I see some that did not actually go well. But that Friday, I decided to remove it. That no Friday setup. It has to be from Saturday. Okay. So now let's go to our daily. Now, what I'm looking for is what? Our daily resistance. And it has to be formed from Saturday. Look at this candle. This bullish candle was formed on Friday. This bearish candle was formed on Saturday, which makes it not a valid area for us to use. Okay, you see that the way market tap and the drop, right? That is not a valid area for us to use. So now this guy was what? On Sunday, and this is what? And this is Monday. Okay, so if this guy should close like this, then we have our area where we will be using for our entry like this. Okay, so now this is for the Friday. Let me show you the Friday on. This is the Friday on. Okay, but Friday is not a valid area for us. Now if you go to 4 hours, we want to look for entry, right? Now what did I say about this? I told you that it's either you use the other block or you use the fresh area that has not been mitigated. Okay, so yeah, this is for the Friday own. This is for the Friday own. Look at this other block here. Can you see this other block? We have a fresh zone. So if you use this fresh zone, you see that market will not tap you in. If you use this other block, right? This other block, market is going to tap and put your SA here, and you will be in very good profit. But because we don't use Friday, it has to be from Saturday and what Sunday. So if the daily candle close, then we have our area for entry. So how do you think I'm going to engage on this? Market has given us a resistance level here, so I will just be having something like this for a continuation for sale. I'm gonna be having it like this, okay, for a continuation for what? A sell. So this was the trade. I said that we are going to be holding for 1 month. All right, I'm going to be holding this trade for a good 1 month. For a good 1 month. Okay, and let me explain why I will be holding this guy for 1 month. Because if you go back to our daily and on our weekly, market is consolidating here. All right, market is consolidating. So I'm expecting the massive drop again, so that we can tag along with the massive drop. So by the time the massive drop will happen, it should happen within 1 month. You understand what I'm saying? So market is consolidating here, right? Once it tap us in and we are in profit, so I expect market to give us that massive drop. That is why I said we're going to hold this trade for a good 1 month. So that is that for this guy. So Shatizi, where do you say you now put your entry or whatever?
Let me enter. Go for 4 hours, make I show you.
Go for, it's 4 hours, boss. 4 hours.
Chances you don't on the trade.
I don't on the trade too now.
I say.
So I put my essay, boss.
Where?
My essay for this loan.
Where do you enter from?
No, I enter for that one is the market had me already because I placed ahead that one. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about your SML? You enter from here?
No, come down small.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, yes. But that comes to enter.
Okay.
But I wait for
Where,
that week.
Where do you put your?
That week create one.
Where do you put your SM?
My SL is on 31.20.
It's big, go.
Above all these things, it's not able to like that now.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So
that selling me stuff, and that selling me stuff. I say the thing they work well.
They work. This was such.
They work like mad like this because the way they get her now, this they are not even understand. And this selling me stuff. Because the thing is just the thing will just give a good this thing to target. It will give a better this thing like maybe you want to see like maybe. But what I'm using now is that market shield. That market, if I use that market shield, then if I know say okay, this market shield and this is a high, this is a low that market and this is a high.
Yeah.
That's another thing. The thing can they work. You can't they work like mad. Back to back. You see this that B20, that B25. I even said the B25.
Wow.
Oh, my phone is low. Fuck.
Your phone is low. Go and charge. Don't worry, we are still here. We dey here. Please, let's stop.
That step index. Boss, normal step index. I don't even buy. I don't do this in there. I don't sell. They say when I do sell me that the market no trigger me. Market drop. I can't even target again. I can't get sell yesterday in the night. Me now the thing is the rest not going to hit my TP.
Good morning.
I swear.
Hey, good morning.
They don't come.
Alpha.
This one. Basirat. Good.
How you doing now?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
Yeah, you do well. Basirat.
Okay.
Basirat. Send your request. The way you do it is not making sense. Send your request. Let us talk. You just come here, you say, please, anybody help me, and you put number. I guess it's OP. It's not right, but come up. Let me talk to you. It's not right. All right. Let us check the next one. I'm waiting for your request, Basirat. So we have 75 oneness as well as one of the favorite that we talk about. Okay, Musti, is how to teach you. Musti, don't worry. Just be watching. You will understand how the strategy works. Don't worry, just be watching. Okay, just be watching. So, on this guy, we have our Basirat. Send your request. I'm giving you just a minute. If you don't send your request, I'm going to block you. If you are not sending request, then that means you are not real. That means you are not real. You are a scammer. If you are real, send your request.
I don't chat my private. You say you need help.
If you really need help, you go send request, come up and talk. All right. So on our monthly time frame, as you can see, market is giving us a nice rejection here last month, and this present month is giving us a bullish push. So I expect market to keep pushing to the upside. Naskama. Here I know saying Naskama go win now. All right. So let's go to our weekly time frame. So on our weekly time frame, what do we have? Market give us a push to the downside, and we now have a bullish engulfing. So when you have this bullish engulfing, I expect market to keep buying to the upside. That is my expectation. Because why? Market has broken out from this range. Look at it. Market break out from this range. Break out from that range. Okay. So I want to see market keep pushing to the upside. Step 500. All right. So I want to see market keep pushing to the upside. So now my bias for this week now is I want to buy. So if you are trading, you need to know your bias. Most especially, you see that weekly bias, it matters a lot. Even if you are a day trader, always be checking your weekly bias. Don't say because I'm a day trader, nothing concerns you with weekly. It concerns you. Many people don't really understand how this thing they push you. Many people don't know. If you don't care about the weekly and you only care about daily, so comes on Thursday or Friday, you now go straight to your daily, and maybe your weekly is telling you a sell, your daily has been telling you buy. You were able to get some buys, all right, and on Thursday, Friday, market now want to resume to go for that sell, for that weekly bias, and you keep buying. Go dey chop person now. No, how you go chop person? Which strategy do you use, bro? I need a teacher or teach me. So now my bias for the week now is I want to buy 75 oneness. That's it. I want to buy. So if I'm seeing a sell setup, I no go take am. That's it. Now we now apply our strategy, TDR strategy. Now we've gotten it first, which is our bias. Secondly, we want to look out for daily support. You go to your daily time frame, all right, and daily support has to be formed from Saturday. Can you see that there's no daily support now at the moment? This is what? This is on Monday. This is what? This is on Sunday. So if this present candle can turn bullish, then we are going to have our support. If this candle close today and another candle close bullish, we are going to have our support. That is Monday and Tuesday, which we are going to have an area where we're going to use. You understand? So we need to be patient. This strategy, no rush for this strategy. This strategy, you don't need no stress, and you cannot overtrade when you are doing this strategy. You can never overtrade. You can't. So that is for this V75. All right. So that is all that we have on this our favorites. So let's go check the step 500. Please let us tap and share. Let us tap and share. Now, let's go to 3 months. On our 3 months, market is bearish. You see the way we have this long push to the downside. Big lights, please help me to mute your mic. Then, market is giving us a bullish candle here, right? Now, on our monthly, help me to mute your mic. You see the market is giving us what? It's likely to form a money star. All right. If this guy should close bullish, we'll be having a money star. Okay, we will be having a money star. We have a doji here, a long day doji. All right, and this guy is sprinting to the upside. Where is he reacting from? He's reacting from nowhere. So let us see what we have on weekly. We want to know our weekly bias. That is what we are trying to get. Now, if you look at this, what do you think is going to be your weekly bias? Let us be sincere to ourselves. When market gives us a massive drop here, we have some little consolidation. Then we have another push to the upside. Market is giving us what? Some consolidation here, creating a resistance rejection. What do you think is going to be your bias here? Let me ask. For this week, are you going to be looking for sell or you are going to be looking for buy? Host, please, I need help. You don't need my help. If you need help, I told you to send your request. You said you need my help. Please, what is going to be your this thing here? What?
For me, boss, I will wait too because the way the market consolidating, I will not even go there to trade myself.
You not go there to do what?
I know even trade down because I have to wait because the way market is consolidating, I don't even understand. See the massive push. I see what. Good morning, sir.
All right, sorry. So quickly give me a minute. Let me talk to Basirat. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Basirat, have you been on my live stream before?
I've just passed you a live stream.
No, I've talked to you before on this live stream.
Yes, you don't talk to her before. That she be that girl that time.
Basirat.
Yes, sir.
I've talked to you before.
Yes, sir.
So why are you denying now?
Yes, sir.
So you don't need to deny because I remember. So what is the problem this time?
It was in the comment. I don't see money to get something, sir.
Guys, I know many of you remember Basirat now. Maybe she no remember. She no remember, but me I remember.
I remember her before, sir. I'm the one trying to do transfer for her that day.
That you were trying to do transfer for her, where no work.
Yes.
Yes. That I was asking her question. I think she said she stays around that beggar side, around Jodo. Am I correct, Basirat?
Yes, sir.
That you said, I think you said you are staying with, is it your sister or something?
No, I said my auntie.
And I was asking about your job. Are you looking for a job?
Okay, I remember, sir.
So I remember vividly. So what is the problem now? You said you want to buy. So what do you want to buy?
That's just food stuff, sir. Sorry, sir.
Food stuff?
Yes, sir.
But the last time we spoke, I wanted to actually help you in terms of job. Right?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you look for job? There are plenty jobs to do in Lagos now if you are in Lagos. Because you can't
That's true.
just be doing this. And I know no be only this my life stream you go dey go, I know. Very sure. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Because it will not help you. You're not helping yourself when you're doing that. You're not helping yourself. I won't
I'm
lie to
sorry,
you.
sir.
No. It's not about being sorry. It's about doing the right thing. Okay? It's about doing the right thing.
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem? Leave food aside. What is the problem? You need to look for solution that is going to take you out from you asking for money. That please, I want to eat, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, I want to buy this. What is your auntie doing? Is your auntie working?
She goes to the market, sir.
She goes to the market. What kind of market is that?
Yes, sir. The market. She sells what's it called? Mama and all those stuff. So I used to assist her sometimes.
She says what?
Mama.
Okay.
So I used to go to market to assist her sometimes when she's not there.
Okay. And you? Where are you from actually? Where are you from?
I went to they bomb me in Osun State.
Okay, you are Yoruba? Okay, Basirat.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, you presently, how old are you? Sorry to ask.
23.
23. Do you have any boyfriend?
No.
You don't have any boyfriend?
No.
Why?
I don't know. I feel like I'm not ready.
Okay. So, what step have you actually taken in terms of looking for a job?
I went to try out tailoring, but it did not work out for me. I don't know. It was just hard for me to really learn, but I'm still learning the process.
Okay. Can you do a security job?
Security. I don't know, sir.
It's not a dead security.
So what kind of security?
Akwe. So
Okay.
it depends. If you want to, I can tell him he can put you in that is if you are serious. If you want to work in Ikoyi club, you can place you there in Ikoyi club. If you want to work in any bank, it can put you in any bank that is close to you there. Okay, that is around that beggar side. And if you want to go to Ikoyi club that you can get connect, it can post you there. Because all this, please, I want to eat. I don't think it makes sense.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you going to think about it and message me on WhatsApp?
Okay, sir. I can't.
Huh? Are you that tall? Are you tall or short?
I'm not tall.
You're not too tall, okay.
I'm like medium.
Medium, okay. If you can do the job, it's actually fine, it's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and if you know you don't want to do that, you can still look for another one for you.
Okay.
But I think that security, especially that in Ikoyi there, you get connect. You might see big man that might love you, that might like you. So, you understand? That's why I first asked, do you have a boyfriend?
Okay.
You understand? So if you actually need that help, just message me.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
I will see one day whether I could see something, sir.
Okay. So you want to eat now, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Shatizi.
Boss.
The money where you know do that day, you can do am.
No, try.
Okay, I'm sending my account.
Alright, drop it.
Okay. Okay, I've told you. Thank you, sir.
I'll be expecting your message today.
Okay, sir.
All right. Please, let's stop. No, I'm not sure. Mostly say, Oga, our voice looks like Mano. Yeah, it looks like man, but it looks like man. You understand? But sometimes you just need to give a benefit of doubt. I wanted to even block her before, but my mind just said, okay, let me ask this question. So if I didn't see her message, then I know that she's not actually, maybe she or he, okay, it's not actually serious. And if you you can't even continue like this. You understand? Even though if it's a scammer or she is scammer, right? It will not last. It will not last. So no be me, they do myself. Now the person they do herself or she herself. So you understand? If you are doing good, keep doing it. But say one person go come scam me, the person will go come scam ratio. Oh my mura gidi gan. Oh my mura gan. You understand? Oh my mura. Ever since I don't enter Lagos since 2011, I've never seen one. The one where I don't enter now when I want travel. Yes. Now one where I want travel. And that one I enter say yes. But say one person could just come, one can use one school. Come on, the person my mother. So sometimes I go just look and my lord. Do you get? But if she really need the help, you can still tell me the truth. That is maybe on WhatsApp that I saw you, I be ill, I need help. You don't need continue na package that they do. If you need help, of course. But if the person want to continue like that, maybe I'm share money. So, Bello Junior, okay, sir, come up, sir. Please let us start and share. Let's start. So that we can continue. Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Has it not been here before?
Yes, now she was here before. You remember?
Yes, I remember now.
She don't come here before.
Yeah, I know that. I just came up and I was here.
Yes. But she
was talking.
She don't forget.
Voice.
She don't forget.
She don't forget.
Yes, she don't forget.
She don't forget. That's why you are supposed to kick her out in the first place.
Yes.
You're supposed to not to listen to her again. That's the honest truth.
I wanted to, but I just changed my mind.
It's the honest truth.
I just changed my mind.
If all of us pick all this routine, we about the go people life that don't say I never chop this morning.
Very well.
It's a normal routine now.
It's a normal routine for Lagos.
Everybody is trying to make money for himself now.
Yes, sir.
It's not fair now.
It's not fair. Yes, sir. Make I shock you.
It's not.
There are some people who will say, I don't know them well. They will come to me. You see happen 2 days ago, babe. Me and my babe, we went to go and buy meat. So there's one guy who come meet us for road. They come, they hear me, baba, blah blah blah. I said I no get. I can't come out. He can't jam again for where we can't buy the meat. He can't come meet me. I say, Oga, now you come meet me not quite long. He say, hey, me more, I don't know. I just laugh. So there are plenty. You understand?
Yes.
All of those things, I understand that they take down. Sometimes they go use one style today, say, please, I want to go, I need transport. If the thing don't cast, they could come use another story. And I know them well. Sometimes I go just tell them, say, okay, this is the way they do, no fit help you. You better stop.
Yes, I heard you asking her. I heard you asking her that what kind of job can she do?
Yes.
That's the question. What kind of job can she do? Let her tell you. Then we let look for somebody that will get her that kind of job. Let's see whether she will do it.
So Basirat.
Let her say the kind of job. Let her say the kind of job she wanted to do.
I mean, sir, you don't send money, I swear. And
don't send that money. I never just sold that money.
I mean, sir, you don't send that money.
But she won't eat though. She won't eat, I beg.
It doesn't still matter. It doesn't still matter if she has come to this life before and they advise her to get a job. By that time they heard that thing, she should have looked for something else to do apart from coming online to beg.
Okay. Oh, wow. So what do you feel?
We know the situation of the country is not good.
Yes.
But nevertheless, it doesn't warrant you coming online to beg for money.
Yes. Wow.
I don't like this kind of thing.
Yes, now. Yes, I know. I know.
Do you think everybody on this live stream they are okay?
Everybody are not okay.
Everybody on this live stream, do you think we will come to this live stream and be stressing ourselves to read one chat?
Everybody want make money.
Yes, now it's because of money now. We are trying to sort ourselves out.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
It's we the people that make things very difficult for ourselves. That's the honest truth. How can you be coming on every day and be begging for money for food? It doesn't warrant. I should have at least be back 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days. You should have looked for something that will sort your problem.
Yeah. Now, wow.
And people are advising you gradually. They are advising you. You get to a point. You not even this online you are coming. People will see you as a. When they see you, they will just say, "It's not that same girl."
Yeah.
They will just name tag you, which is not good for you.
It's not so.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's not so. Okay.
You guys told them to do.
Yeah, you know what? Basirat. Basirat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You're on WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, call me. Let me type my number here and call me on video call now.
Yes, sir.
Until we can do anything. Call me now. This is my WhatsApp line.
No, hold on, Rachel.
No, make she call me.
No, wait now. She go still call you.
Yeah.
Let me ask her. This picture you put on your status, is it really you that is on your status, or is it a different person?
Hold on. She look like hookup girl, though.
No, that's what I'm. No, if Rachel look at this picture, look at their profile picture. Check your profile picture now.
Okay, so the way the hands be,
she look like hookup girl.
No, see, it don't even matter. See, maybe she be hookup girl.
No, it's not even. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Hookup girl to need help now.
On video call. If you are not seeing this picture, you are not going to assist her.
Yes, I need to see that. That's why I said. That is why I want her to call me.
That means you cannot assist her.
That is why I want her to call me. I want her to call me.
That big light when we send money to us.
You said?
I think I say you want send money to us before.
Well, where?
Strategy, why now?
No,
my message no send money.
No.
So I'm trying to.
Let her come in.
Rachel, let me tell you, this one is even physical self. Like
Yes.
you said.
Yes.
I was in my store.
Yeah.
You understand? So I was sitting down. That day I was there
Babe.
throughout the day.
Oh,
So the man came. He came with a drugs prescription this thing that and I said, Rachel, you hearing what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So the guy came with a prescription paper.
Okay.
I said he needed this drug that is not feeling fine.
Okay.
And I said, me, I don't have money.
Yeah.
But I can assist you with this same drug. I can call somebody
Yeah.
at nearby hospital that can give you this
drugs.
Drug. That the doctor there is my friend, my close friend. And if I begged him that he should give you these drugs, he's going to give you. Do you know what the man? Do you know what the man told me?
Yes.
He said he doesn't really need the drugs. The money that he needed to buy the drugs he needs. And I said, is it the drug you need or the money?
Or money.
The man insists that it's the money that he needs, that he doesn't need the drug. That he will prefer to go and buy the drugs by himself. So they make it, even though you want to assist, they make it difficult. You don't know who to help again.
Yes, you don't know. You don't know, I swear.
You don't know who to help again.
You don't know. You don't know.
We yourself, we did together. We for Kada making go treat the thing where you want.
That was very funny. Very funny. If I was insisting that I should leave the drug, that I should just give him the money to buy the drug. But I said I can get those drugs without any payment. He still insisted that he needed the drug, the money, rather than the drugs.
That's crazy. So, Basilas, I'll be expecting your call. Let us continue with this step 500.
Bashira, don't go look for person who will call you.
Please, your number.
Okay. Let me type it.
You don't see the number.
070 187 44. Yeah. Can you see it, Basira?
Yes, sir.
So once I pick this call, guys, you give me a minute. Let me just talk to Nancy.
Okay, sir.
It is well. Okay, so while we wait for the call, now you see that we have a bullish.
I said, ratio make sure that money where he get for a course, people go send. People send that to us. Make people send the money to us now. I wish I did. I'll mute your mic. I beg.
She's calling me. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello. Can you turn your camera?
Sir, please, not me that is on that live, sir.
Okay, yeah, turn your camera. Let me see.
Sir, I'm not the one that is on the profile picture, sir.
Okay, but don't worry. I know. Just turn your camera. I know you are a guy. I know. Just turn your camera.
Yes, sir.
All right, turn your camera.
Sir.
Okay. So what's up?
One, sir.
So what's going on now? Why? Where do you say you stay? So that means all what you're saying is actually lie, right? I know you need help, but
I need
sometimes,
help. Look at the fact that I was using the picture, that's the only problem, sir. I was using.
yeah, I know. Sometimes in life, right? You need to someone if you are straightforward, it will be easy for you to get help. Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
So because I know that you are a guy one, and I know you are not the one on the profile picture, that's why I said you should call me. So
Yes,
where do
sir.
you base? Where are you?
Lagos, sir.
Where in
More like
Lagos?
exactly Lagos.
Where in Lagos?
Do you know Beggar side? Like after Beggar.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
you said you stay with your sister, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem? Is it that you are looking for a job?
Yes, sir. Look at my money, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Are you serious about the job, or you are not ready for any job at all? You are not ready.
Sam ready.
How far with your school?
But school is going okay. It's just that financial support and everything is just a problem.
Okay, then what about your parents?
They are late, sir. That's what I'm saying to my auntie, sir.
Okay, they are late.
Yes, sir.
The job I told you about, can you do it
Yes, sir.
in Ikoyi? Can you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What is your name?
Sir, yes, sir.
Eh?
Ife.
I know, yeah.
Ife.
Ife. Ah,
Yes, sir.
nice. Ife Oluwa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask this question. Are you a Yahoo boy? Be sincere.
No, sir. Like this is the only thing I do, sir.
Okay, you go to people's live and Abby.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please just stop that, all right? Just stop that.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I'm going to try and see how I can help in terms of that job.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what will happen. Once it's around 2, call me.
Yes, sir.
By then I could have finished my live stream.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I wanted to ask you, sir.
All right.
Also about the whether I could see help, sir. Also, let's buy something to eat, sir. I'm very sorry, sir.
Okay. Is 2K okay so that you can go and eat first?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just drop your account on my WhatsApp now. I'll do it for you so that you can eat first.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, so welcome.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Everybody go don't go rest now. Even though now correct, they make money. You for they quiet, they make your cool money.
Wow.
I die for the time. Now I don't.
Ratio, this one they look side. I don't understand you.
Person wey dey go help, wey person fit help sef.
Ratio, this one where they look side. I don't understand you. What's your final conclusion?
Ratio get some pass. You go say make dey help am. Ratio get some pass.
Now ratio go that ratio forex and that the reef account go empty am today.
Ratio today go.
He go empty that account. If ratio need that money, I must collect $100 from them.
See ratio. Enter that game profile. Make you see say this game no be game wey you fit help wey go pay. That game na hook up game, like it's very good.
SM. If ratio send 2,000 naira to that game, ratio must give me $100 for the reef account.
If 500 cents.
Hey!
This one they chop SN, they crack our head, they do this thing, they look for strategy. Yeah, Papa they look for strategy. They ask for us, say never chop this one. I beg, where she come on, I beg. Wait, she don't even annoy me this morning.
Melo Junior, Strategi, everybody, in fact, I don't know what I go talk. Oh, I'm done.
The woman don't come.
Now, number one.
This one way I don't understand. If they don't, but I don't know. Say just don't work because your wife did it. Just don't work for you.
Oh my God.
I did here.
She did here. But seriously.
Yes, that's why I said the just don't work.
Melo Junior and everybody, SML, Strategi, and everyone in the comment box. Let me first say this. Let me first apologize first on behalf of you.
Yes, I apology accepted.
So I beg, I want to apologize on behalf of our brother, not she. So, sometimes you go get something where we say you go through, you go do some kind of thing where you don't want to do, where you don't like to do, that you are not happy doing it. You understand? Is the person is actually he, not she. So when he called, I know he was shy to turn the camera. I just persuade that I know that you are he. Just turn the camera and tell me your problem. Why are you doing this? And he actually turned the camera. So he apologized, all right? That it's because things is difficult, right? That because things is difficult. And I said, okay, are you a Yahoo boy? He said no. That this is what he does. That he used to go to people's life and beg for money. There's nothing bad in begging. If you are begging, right, there's nothing bad in begging. But if you see opportunity of where you can actually see somebody that can help in terms of work, just try to use that opportunity so that begging of it will stop. So, and I asked him that, all right, are you willing to do that job? He said yes, that he will want. So before he even turned the camera, I said it's not the one on the. I know. I told her, I said, I know you are not she. So forget about that. Just turn your camera. He's actually a handsome guy, black African guy, looking good. You understand? But maybe he's saying the truth or not. I just told him, I said, okay, call me around 2, and I'm going to see how I can help him in terms of the job. So he still need the help to, if it is 1,500, so that at least he can eat. So I think he's here listening. You understand? So that is why I say make I apologize first on behalf of him, because I think that is what he does. So I told him not to be doing that again. He should not go to people's life and be seeking for help like that. That is not good. That it should be real. Come out real. If you come out real as a guy, say you be this, I swear, the thing I go even do for you go pass the one way I go do for woman.
I will come back later.
All right. It go even pass the one way I go do for woman, because woman no really get problem. I won't lie. You understand? But as a guy, to actually, it's not easy as a guy. I won't lie. But for woman, it's still easy. Woman can still say, okay, make I go do a shower. A shower is not good though, but they can see easy and go that way. But as a guy, say na guy won't go do a shower or you won't go dey steal. Say guy dey do a shower. Guy dey do a shower. Guy dey do a shower. Yes sir. Yes sir.
The sister say I use make I don't use a typical Yoruba man call your name.
Samu. Ratio.
Something that is not good. Something that is not good is not good.
Yeah.
How can you come where a lot of people, hundreds of people that are struggling also?
Yeah.
It's not. I'm telling you this. Let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves. All of us, we might be an average person.
Yeah.
I think you understand.
Yeah.
But we are still struggling. If you are not struggling, you will not find us here.
Yeah.
If you find me here, maybe I'm just doing. Maybe somebody should dash me gifts. Do this. I will not get. If you come on your live stream,
Yeah.
it's just to gist. Say, okay, I made this today. I made that today. Probably that's what we'll be doing. I think you understand.
Mm-hmm.
But somebody come to a place that all of us we are struggling to break through. You understand? And you are still using a dubious means to collect money from us. It's not appropriate.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
In whatever way he or she can think of it. It's not an appropriate way.
Yeah.
If you want to collect money, let's collect money in the wrong. Okay, I come ratio. I beg. I never chop this money.
Yeah.
Wait till you go do.
Yeah.
I think if you don't say, you know, I go still find another place go.
Yeah.
But lying or pretending. This is pure scamming.
Yes.
Whatever you want is scamming.
Yes, I understand. So, what will you do now?
Now,
Can you please? Can you please send your request? Come and help.
Ratio.
Yes, sir.
Let me now ask you now, Ratio. You yourself now, if anybody should come online and come in this motive, would you want to listen to that person again?
No.
Even though the person is telling the truth.
No. I will not.
Ratio.
Yes, ma'am.
I will talk. Right into the lion's den.
Kopala, why now? We should not help him.
Please.
No, you are not saying you should not. Nobody should.
No, yeah, I understand.
But
I understand. The way.
Is the motive behind
The motive is yes. The motive.
It's not a good thing.
It's
So
not
what's
good.
different from people who are
It's not.
scamming when they are doing Yahoo? What's the difference now?
I swear.
It's just as if it's scamming us now.
Yes.
We that we are struggling, they are still scamming us.
Yeah.
Like Sabero Junior.
Yes.
Sabero Junior, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
And like this your respect when solution is all is today really I know say yes this respect you need because knows like that some people say because that person this person come in this last trend that
No, I'm trying to send money to her. That's how I got to remember her. I sent money to her.
it's like
I sent money to her now.
it's network
Benedino.
selling that day. It's network selling that day.
You send money to her
I sent
too?
money to her.
How much?
Yes, now. I can't remember. I think it's around 5,000 or so I sent to her that day. Just between 5,000, yes. I sent her that day.
Yeah.
That's very annoying now.
And the account number, you can't use Batirat. Now, 15 minutes you can't for that account number.
Now, leave it aside. Somebody that use Bashirat as an account number, is it not defrauding people? And you are a man. You are it's not. Now let's. This thing is annoying now.
That is very painful.
I know reason I got that account number. Because
somebody that can manipulate an account number for
you
his
create OPay
doesn't know that
for that account. You create OPay, take it to the room. You create OPay, and Lord forgive me. Oh. This is what another red flag that I saw. Right, another red flag that I saw. Okay, I didn't even tell my wife here. Is that I know he's listening to me, but I know he will be shy to change it to when he changed it to camera. The background that I was saying, the background self he passed my own background self.
Talk. You see, you they make money, but who they chop?
His background passed my own background. No, the background where they talk, the ceiling. My house now is ceiling. Their own place is like a POP. So me when they use ceiling compared to me when they use POP.
You don't give me this body, I beg. You don't give me.
Wow. But you see people, you are using sin.
I beg. Oh.
You've made our day though.
Ma'am?
Made our day.
Like Papala said, he trained well. He trained himself to this level now.
Yes, now. Yes, now. Oh, Walid. Come now, close it. I just often know sound it. Please, let's stop. So, guys, don't forget about that this thing, and let us continue with our.
More they wait for our strategy to strategy.
Yes, so
more our strategy kickstart.
Yes, so that's what we're waiting for. That's what we're waiting for.
That limit selling it to full Mercy MT5 now.
Yes, so
for this strategy.
Oh, mommy, this no drop. Oh, my mind the time you say you go won't use this other block because that is where if you check our daily, we have alignments. Look at the daily here. But don't worry, it might still pull back. But let us see, it might pull back. It might pull back. Maybe market wants to do something like this. Reject, then drop. Hey. What?
Oh, 50K.
50K
only one day.
Kilo shele.
He just dashed me 50K, just like that. I was like, it was a screenshot to the scene now. Monday is good.
Please, let's stop. Monday is good in our house.
Monday is good. 50K, just like that.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, let me see the one that is likely to yes, yes. Jẹ́ kó lọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Aha. So if this guy can actually form a support level here, I would really appreciate. If market can form a support level here, then we're going to be using that area for our buy. Okay, but before this buy can actually be activated, might be by Wednesday. So this strategy is actually going to I just like it because there's no how you can rush yourself. You cannot rush yourself in this kind of strategy. You cannot. So if you want chop SL, the SL no go plenty. If you want chop TP, the TP go plenty. You don't understand. Oh, let's see how it goes. So there are some pairs here that we've not actually talked about. We have 90S here. Let us see what 90S. Let us look into this 90S together. Okay, this was the one we talked about yesterday that I said I'm looking for a daily support. So if market can create any daily support here, because our bias is to buy. If you go to your weekly time frame, you will realize that we have a bullish candle closing above this resistance level. Can you see? So I want to see more buys to the upside. So on daily time frame, okay, if market can form what a daily support, then we will be looking forward to buy this guy. So let us check the ones that we've known, like 15S. Let's see 15S and jump as well. We're going to check jump too. So I don't think I've actually done this one. Okay, so let's check this. Sorry, coming. All right, so let me go to sorry about that. I think I have to like close it because the thing is not clear, so that is why. So now on our 3 months, you see the market is bullish, right? From here we have a nice push to the upside. Our market is doing a pullback to this area. So I expect another push now to the upside. All right, so when we go to our monthly time frame, okay, you realize that inside this area, market has already given us a support here with what rejection. Let us zoom and see together. Look at this point. Look at this support that was created. Can you see the rejection, which is our what? Our MS. Okay, that is our MS, and we have a zone here too. Okay, the market has been rejecting for a while. How many rejections? 1, 2, 3, 3 rejections here, which is our ML. Okay, and that is where market is at the moment. So market is on that key level area. Market has given us equal lows. Then we have what neckline here. So, and this is like the blue pattern that market wants to form. Okay, to the upside. That is a W pattern that market is likely to form right there. So how to get our weekly bias? We now go to our weekly time frame to consult. All right, what do we have on weekly? You realize that we have a sweep happened here. It took out all this low before we have our shift. Look at where shift happened. Okay, this is where we have our shift. Please, let's tap and share. We have a shift here. Okay, so we have this shift. So after this shift, I expect more push to the upside. So we have a break from this high, and this high too. Market has broken this high. All right, market has broken this high, and this is a massive push to the upside. All right, and if you look at this candle, look at the way it closed. It closed with a very tiny upper shadow okay, with a very tiny, very tiny upper shadow that we have there, right? So my bias for this week is I will still be looking for buys. Why? Because this area has been taken out. Look at here. This area has been taken out, right? That is one. And we have a zone here, right? We have this resistance area that I want market to actually get to. So this is going to be the target I'll be targeting. If I'm buying now, this is going to be my target, right? That is our WR. Okay, that is our WR. We have a K level here too, but this zone I can't use it. This is the main place I'm going to use for my main target. And if we look at what happened from here, we have a drop, then we have what inducement before we have a push to the downside. So market has taken this inducement out, a breakdown, and I want market to still take them out and come back to this area. So I will be going for buy. So this is where we're going to apply our TDR strategy by going to what our daily time frame, marking our daily support, and what marking our entry on 4 hours. So now you see the market has been bullish. So if this guy can close like this today, all right, if this guy can close bullish like this today, then I will want the following day to give up a bullish so that we can have a support. So from that support, that is where we'll be looking for what to do, what to buy to this high. So I hope that this guy is going to give us that setup that we want. Sometimes this strategy might not actually give you the opportunity to engage. If it's not giving you opportunity, it's actually okay. You understand? So let us wait until market give us that thing he wants to form before we continue buying. You understand? So that is that for this 15S. So which one again that we do not talk about? Jump 10. Let's look at jump 10. So let me ask, is all jumps not volatile, or there are some jumps that are volatile? Please let me know. So let us talk about this guy on 3-month time frame. What do we have? We have a nice bullish trend here. From this low, we have a higher high breaking this high, higher low, then another new higher high. So market is trying to break down to give us what a higher low. So if you mark out your fib level from this low, okay, to this high, look at where market is likely to get to. All right, so market has actually mitigated the golden zone area here. Can you see? Market has mitigated the golden zone. So what do we do next? We go straight to our monthly time frame. So on our monthly time frame, you see that from this higher high, market give us this lower high. We have this lower high, then we have a lower high here. Market give us a lower low breaking below this guy, breaking below this low and this low. This is higher low, then we have what a lower high, and now we now have a lower low to the downside, breaking below these lows, right? So we have a zone here. Okay, we have a zone here, this resistance level. Please let's keep tapping. So if you look at this zone properly, you see the market has not mitigated that area. This is our what? This is our monthly monthly support MS. All right. You see that the liquidity that was created there, market never take out this liquidity. So I expect market to push down. And look at the way this candle prints. It gives us a long bearish candle, like bearish engulfing, right? Engulfing this candle right to the downside. So it's trying to do some pullback. Then I want to see another drop. This is on monthly. So we go straight to weekly now. All right. So on weekly time frame, all right, what till we get? Say you go realize, say, I told you that market is trying to do some pullback. So obviously, look at the way this candle close. Okay, it's giving us a rejection here. So what do you think I'll be looking out for? I'll be looking forward to sell. This is our weekly resistance level. All right. Do not forget that I want market to come back to this our MS. Okay, our market is giving us a rejection from this support. All right, market is reacting from this support, but I don't really care about this support. What I care about is this area, this breaker block here, where we have this double rejection, and now we have this rejection. So I want to see market drop to this our MS. So let me take this guy out. So my bias for this week is going to be what? A sell. Okay, it's going to be what? A sell. Oh my god. Please, let's stop. it's going to be a sell. All right. So now we are going to apply our strategy TDR, right? By going to daily and mark out what our daily resistance level. So let's check one by one. All right. So yeah, what candle is this? This one was our Friday, so it's not valid. So we need to look for what? Daily resistance. We have bearish, bearish, bearish. So until market creates a daily resistance here, until we have a daily resistance before we can apply our sell. You understand? We need to have a daily resistance. So this is what market should now do. If market wants to give us a daily resistance, if this one can close like this, then we need to have a bullish candle that is going to be on the same line so that we can have a resistance level. Or this candle can turn to bullish and close here, then we're going to have a resistance. Then from there we will begin to look for what? Selling opportunity on 4 hours. Do you understand? So that is how we're going to approach this our jump 10 to the downside. So let's check. This step 500, we were actually talking about it the other time. We could not finish it. We could not finish this. Let's keep tapping. We could not finish this. So I think we are on weekly time frame. Yeah, we are on weekly time frame. So on this area, this is when my brother said it's not going to do anything around here. And now, two things is happening here. Okay, market created what? A resistance level here. Can you see that resistance level, which is our weekly WR? All right. So for this setup now, market is telling us to sell. And look at the way the last week candle closed. It closed bearish, so it's telling us to what? To sell. All right. But this candle that is bullish is telling us to keep buying. That is what it's telling us, that we should keep buying. All right. So for this setup now, I will be going for buy and sell. I'll be going for buy and sell. Okay, I'll be going for buy and sell. So we go to daily and look for what? Our TDR setup. Okay, we look for our TDR setup. So now look at this guy. We have what? If this is Friday and this is Saturday, it's not valid. So here we have our Sunday and this is Monday. If this guy close bullish, then I'm going to look for buy. I told you that I will be doing buy and sell. And I've told you the reason. The reason is because of that long bullish candle, that engulfing. So if we go back to that weekly, there's something we call bullish rectangle. What is bullish rectangle? Bullish rectangle is when you have a massive push like this to the upside and suddenly market start consolidating. Okay, suddenly market do what? Start consolidating like this. All right, then it give you another break again. This is what they call the bullish rectangle, right? So it might be that is what market is trying to do. So let us see the monthly and see what is going on the monthly. Now you will see that this monthly time frame, market is just doing what? It's trying to create a morning star. It's trying to create a morning star, and we have a zone here. Look at that. The market is likely to actually come back to, which is our what? MR. Okay. So on our monthly, market is trying to form a morning star. Has given us a massive bullish engulfing. Look at that. It gives us a long bullish engulfing. Look at this bullish candle, right? He engulfed all these candles that we have here. He engulfed all of them to the upside. And on our weekly, we have this area that market has actually mitigated, okay? But I still see market still push up, right? Because this week is looking as if it's looking weak. You understand? So if this guy could not break above, then it's going to be selling. So from here now, from this range, I'll be looking forward to do what? To go for buy and sell. So anyone that comes first on the TLD, then we'll go for it. And now it seems our TLD setup is going to be formed on this day, which is yesterday and today. Look at it. And if you look at this hourly structure from here, you realize the market give us a higher high, higher low, equal high, higher low, higher high. Market break this resistance level. Can you see it break to the upside here? giving us a higher high, and market push back here. So if this guy should close, we are going to be having our daily support area for entry, then mark out our 4 hours for our pending order for a buy. So if you are buying, you can just target this high for our target, right? You can just use this area, okay, for target. Here is actually okay as DR, so we will not go too far, all right, because this is going to be a short buy. It's not going to be a very long buy, but we're going to be getting a good RR. Let us assume market give us a tap here, we're able to enter. Our SL is something like this. We'll still be getting nothing less than we'll be getting nothing less than about 1 to 6 thereabout, so which is not actually bad, you understand. So we're gonna wait for market to decide. So if this one close today, then we are going to be taking the trade. So let me take this one to our favorites now. So step 500 is going to be promoted to our what? To our favorites. So by tomorrow we're going to check it. So let us check another one. We have V100 here. We have V100. Hey, good morning, Dollar FX. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. So this is V100, and let us start from 3-month time frame to know our bias. So first of all, to get our bias on monthly and weekly, okay, but let us see the overall. The overall here that we have after we have a massive drop here, we have a massive drop to this low. Market consolidates here, creating this highs here, this support here. The market break it to the downside. He use this area for resistance and a drop again, lower highs. Then this is what? A lower low. So from this lower low, it's trying to do some pullback for what? A lower high. So let's go to weekly now to get our bias. Mind you, going back to monthly has already given us a bullish engulfing candle. Look at that. We have a bullish engulfing to the upside, and we have a key level here the market is likely to reject from. So let's go to weekly. So how to get our bias for this week now is this. If you see that zone, I told you that market is rejecting. And let me even mark it out. Let me mark it out so that it's going to help us. All right, so this support area here, okay, can you see this area? This is our ML, all right? That's our ML. So we go to weekly now. So this area, market is likely to start dropping from there. And if you look at the weekly time frame here, how many rejection do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This is the present one. So for market to do this, I will be going for sell for the week. I sent you messages on WhatsApp, sir. Ah, really? Okay, sorry, I've seen the message now. Moti reply, so we're going to talk after the live stream. So this week now, we want to look for sell. We want to what? Look for sell. Okay. Somebody said, what do you use to view your chart? What do I use to view my chart? 75S. Okay, I'm going to check 75S. I don't understand though. What do I use to view my chart? So now, we are looking for sell. All right. So we are going to apply our TDR strategy. All right. By going to daily, looking for our what? Daily resistance level. By looking for daily resistance level. Which day was this? This is Friday and this is Saturday. This area is not qualified. Okay, it's not qualified. It's out of it. Okay, So anything after here, we need to look for what? Our daily resistance. So once we get our daily resistance here, then we are going to be selling. You understand? So that is that for this V100. So until the setup shows before we can engage. All right. So that is that. So the next one we have um, step index. Let's check the step index 100. Every time. So without we going to 3 months, what we have here is market is bearish. Okay, as you can see, we have what? A lower low. Market give us a nice lower low to the downside, a lower high. Now market has already broken this low to the downside, so obviously we are going to be having a new low here, right? So on our monthly, let me now mark this area. This is where market rejects from. Can you see? You see the rejection, which is our MR. Please let us tap and share. That is our MR. So now we want to check our weekly bias. What is going to be our weekly bias? Okay, so look at where market is rejecting from. Can you see the double rejection here? So weekly bias give us what? It gave us a nice rejection here, and we have what? A resistance level here. Market give us this bearish candle. So for market to give us this bearish candle, I expect this guy to drop. So this is the present week. So we will be looking for what? Sell on this step 100. So applying TDR, we need our daily resistance. Beautiful. Can you see that? So this is what on Sunday, and this is what Monday today. So if market should close like this, then we have area that we are going to be using for our entry. Then our target is going to be this low. That's what our target is going to be. So we're going to wait for this daily candle to close. If this daily candle close, we are going to be having our entry up here. So obviously there's high probability that this guy is going to close like this. So let us assume, right, that this guy is going to close. Let us assume, right, you go to your 4 hours to mark out your entry point. All right, so here we go. So can you see? So if you want to now use this kind of entry, what do you think you're going to do? Are you going to use the order block, or you will use the resistance here? What are you going to do here? What are you going to do? How are you going to engage? Order block. Okay. Shatizi said order block. Another person. All right. So what I'm going to be doing, right, is I will use the words order block like this. I'll pick it from the body here like this. Have it this way. Okay. From here, I'll be looking forward to sell from here. Okay, I'll be looking forward to sell from there. So once the daily candle close, we will place our sell pending order right here. Our SL is going to be something like this. Then we go all the way down to this guy. So here we're going to be getting 1 to 7. So that is how we're going to approach this guy. Simple as ABC. So, but we need to wait for the daily candle to do what? To close before we know what to do. All right. Profitable myself every time. So step 100 is going to be added as our favorite as well. Okay, so we have We have step 200 here. Let's check. Boss, is it only Sunday and Monday that can look for TDR? No, it's not. It has to be from Saturday to Wednesday. The TDR setup can actually give you, it might be a daily candle from Saturday stroke Sunday, or Sunday stroke Monday, or Monday stroke Tuesday, or Tuesday stroke Wednesday. Anything after Wednesday, don't use that setup again. So he has days that you can actually look for the setup, and it's not tradable over the weekend. You cannot trade this strategy over the weekend. You cannot. So this is going to teach you a lot of patience. I swear. And if you are on the trade, you don't trade with fear. You just allow the trade to run. You just be watching. Just be watching the trade until ETP. You understand? So let us talk about this step 200. Let's go straight to 3 months and see. All right, look at this 3 months. You see that this guy is consolidating. Okay, so it's risky to take trade on this kind of condition. All right, so let's go to our monthly. Our monthly time frame. Wetin market dey tell us here? Network. Oh yeah, network is I say network. We have this high, lower high, lower high, and we have another high here. So all of these highs, market is rejecting, right? So we have a low here and we have a low here. Okay, so this high, you realize the market has broken into the upside, all right? But it's still doing as if it's rejecting. Okay, so and we have a rejection here. We already have a rejection right here, but we have a key level here that market does not mitigate. Look at this area, all right, which is very, very important. Market can push down and come and use this area and tap again. So this is our what? MS. We have MS there. This MS has been mitigated, right? So we go straight to weekly and see what we have on weekly time frame. Now this is our weekly. You realize the market give us what? A high, low, higher high, push down here. Now we have a shift, another shift here internally. Then this high has not been taken out. So what we'll be doing right now is to mark out this guy where we have this rejection. Can you see? We have this nice rejection here, okay, which is our what? WR. Okay, so now we need to pay attention to the last candle, the way this candle closed, right? You realize that market give us a evening star here. 1 to 2, these 3 candles evening star. Okay, then from here market supposed to keep dropping, right? But market rejects. Market try to do what? It pull up. So I expect this candle now to start pushing up to the upside, either to come and use this area again to come and mitigate this guy, because this guy has not been mitigated with the way I'm seeing it here on our weekly time frame. Yeah, market has not mitigated this area at all. So this is our what? WR. So maybe market wants to mitigate here and drop again. Maybe that's what market is trying to do. Am I correct? So we will be looking for buy because of what we have right here. Market took out these 2 lows and the close bullish. So I expect another push to the upside. So going to daily, we are looking for what? Daily support. All right, here we go. So this kind of trade now, we might not have opportunity. Okay, we might not have. This what's up? So you might not have opportunity to take a trade to this upside. Market can just keep pushing like that until market gets here. It might be maybe by next week. Remove it from your mouth. What's this? Take it. So it might be that maybe from next week we might see opportunity here. You understand? But as it stands, if market can actually create a support, a bearish candle here, and create a support, then we have opportunity to take our buy from here to this our weekly resistance. So that is what we're going to be doing on this step 200. All right, we have this 50s. Let's check 50s. Let's keep tapping. Let's get to 40k likes. Let's get to 40k likes, guys. So on our monthly time frame, wetin na see here, na see say market drop massively, right? And when market drop massively like that, market come consolidate a bit for here, abi, giving us like equal high here. E give us another equal low right here, right? And market don break this high to the upside, so we have a break to the upside here, abi. So when market come break, we have another support here that market was rejecting. Last month candle reject from this candle, e got rejected from this area. Can you see, guys? Which is our what? Our MS. Okay, which is our MS. But there's probability that market can actually push down to this area because overall trend is a downtrend. Okay, make e no be say market will start dropping. You understand? So let us now go to our weekly to see what we have on weekly time frame. Okay, so this is our weekly time frame right here. So as you can see, you will realize that this is the key level that I said market was rejecting from, abi, and here market give us what? A nice support. Look at the rejection, e now give us a nice support here. And why do you think I will be going for buy? Number one, because the way this candle give us a, when we have this rejection, we have a bullish engulfing this candle. So market is likely to come back to the support here, which market has done. All right, so I expect market to push up again. So this area is our what? Our weekly support level, WS. Let's keep tapping, guys. We have our WS right there, and look at the way last week candle close. It will give us this rejection. This one will give us another what? Indecision, like a reversal pattern. Whenever you have this kind of indecision on your support level or resistance level, it's giving you a sign that market is likely to reverse. So this week now, I will be going for my buy. I will be looking for buying opportunity. So we are not going to apply our TDR strategy by going to daily and mark out our daily support. That is what we'll be doing right now. All right. So let us start the business. Yeah, we have, this is Friday and this is Saturday. It's not valid. So until market create a support level around there before Wednesday, before we can begin to look for buy. And market must trigger our buy before Friday. If market no trigger, then we have no trade on V50 Wednesday. You understand what I'm saying? Let me to know it. You understand what I'm saying? So until we see a daily support right here, before we can begin to look for what? Buy. You understand? So that is that for this V50. So we come back tomorrow, maybe we will have daily support here. So which one again? We have 100. Let us pick it from 3 months. Let us see the overview. Okay, on our 3 months, now see say market is bearish. Abi, from this high, we have this guy, lower low, lower high. Abi, so I expect market to push down to this our TDMS here. Okay, this is the nearest bus stop that I expect market to get to. What if it didn't mitigate before Friday? You are going to delete the pending order. This is our what? TDMS. You are going to delete it. You don't use the pending order of last week for this week. You don't. So now we go to our what? Our monthly time frame. He have to tap you in before Friday. If he doesn't tap you in and we don't enter Friday, if you allow it to tap you in on Friday, it's a 50-50 game for you. It's a 50-50. You understand? So that's why I advise not to take trade on Friday on this strategy. So now on our monthly time frame, market took out this high, pushed to the upside. All this area is the inducement area. So one market to actually needs to push back to this support level, and we have a zone here that one market to actually push down to as well. So let us go straight to our weekly time frame without stressing ourselves. All right, here we go on our weekly time frame, right? And this is we have a support here that has been broken. Okay, look at that. We have this area that has been broken. Okay, can you see? You see that it broke it below, right? And our bias is we want to keep looking for sell to this area. So for market to break, for market to give us this bearish candle and it break below, I'll be going for my sell for this week. So going for sell this week is the bias. We are looking for sell this week. All right. So now we now go to our daily to begin to look for our what? Our TRD setup, our TDR setup. All right. So what are the TDR? He has to give us a daily resistance level. He has to give us what? A daily resistance level. All right. So this guy, here we have our Saturday and here we have our Sunday. So yeah, market is actually breaking above. So assuming you could have used this area for sale, market could have taken you out by now. Market could have taken us out. Assuming we use this area for a continuation. But yeah, it's still valid, right? So until market give us the opportunity by creating another, it has to be another daily now. So if this guy close bullish and the next candle close bearish, then we'll be using that area for what? Our TDR setup. You understand? So we need to wait till tomorrow as well and see how tomorrow candle is going to close. And see how tomorrow candle is going to close. So that is that for this 100S. So I think that's all. So according to this article, we never see opportunity now. So this GBP AUD is the one that is still running since that last week that we engaged on it. All right, please let's keep tapping. If you want to join our Telegram group, the link is on my bio. And if you want to join, I made 10K today in BTC. Yeah, congratulations, Andrew. So I want to what is it called? If you want to join our VIP, the link, our VIP is $20 to join monthly and $10 for 2 weeks subscription. Okay, that is if you want to join. So this was the one that we took on which day was that? Is it on Thursday? So this is the only one that is actually going. So let us look out for our sell limits, pending orders. Let's check our pending orders. Let's check our pending orders. So we have a pending order here. So we expect market to come back and come and tap us in. That is one. And we have pending order on 25-1S. We have pending order on 25-1S. I hope this guy can push back. Oh. Make it not be say the market is using the other block. Oh. Make it not be say this guy is using the other block. Oh. I beg, please. Please, oh. Please, so please let's stop. Let us check the other one, V50. Mr. Light, let's check this one. Okay, so this one is stiffer. Well done, sir. Uni learning forex trader. Uni learning. Yeah, Mr. Light, good morning, sir. I'm doing well, oh. It's been a while. How you doing, sir?
My bro, what's up?
Yes, sir.
My brother,
Fine. We dey try.
Ratio, what's up now?
Uni learning. How are you, brother? You don't change your this thing. You don't change your name.
No, another account.
Okay.
Another account now.
Okay. How far now? It's been a while. Oh.
It has been a while, Joe.
It's been a while.
How you said?
Come on, with the manage, with the push and small. In the push hands.
Now you the raw synthetic now.
My brother, what do you want to do?
No man.
We are trying our best.
As a bit you go get time around that same at night now. Move Jack on WhatsApp.
Okay, of course. Go and meet your mom. Go and meet Jesse. Tell Jesse to help you.
Get with I want to ask you.
Okay. No wala. Are they available?
Our market they go for that side.
Yes, so. Is they alright? Will they try?
No.
I swear they try.
So like this now, me say if I don't register for synthetic.
Synthetics, I mean. That's good.
Mm.
Synthetics makes sense. Synthetics actually makes sense.
So I just want to use and the observe.
It makes sense. I swear. Oh God. Guys, let's stop. Let us stop.
Which pair is this now?
I don't come up for there. That is V. Is it V10 or V75? V10.
Okay.
V10.
Okay.
Guys, please let's tap and share. Let us just hope this guy can come back. Then this guy can actually trigger maybe on Wednesday. If it might be Thursday, sir. We just need to be patient. V50. Okay, let me try V50. This is the V50. We have a pending order there too. This is the V50. We have a pending order. Wait, oh my love, wait a minute.
Come out from there now before I change it for you. Come out. Quick, come out.
Barro now. V25S, okay. This is the V25S. I hope this guy will not push down. I hope it's going to trigger out because market has already tapped on that breaker. Okay, ordinary 25. Okay. Go and do it inside. What are we even looking for here? Is it buy we dey look for or sell? Blessing and buy. Let me see the weekly. Okay. Yeah, na buy. Na buy we dey look for. We are trying to look for buy. Yes. We are trying to look for buy. So we're gonna wait for this candle. If this candle close bullish, then we have our daily support. So by tomorrow, we might have opportunity there by tomorrow. You understand? So that is that. So guys, you can send the request if you have any question. I will beat you now. What water? GU. Okay. This thing doesn't work on GU. This strategy is not for currency pairs. So. Waiting TDR they tell us. Yeah, TDR give us our first SL on BTC. Let me quickly show you the BTC first. So what we are waiting for now is I want this BTC to give us a daily resistance. So if this BTC cannot give us a daily resistance, because on weekly time frame, look at the way this weekly close. Let me show you. Now look at the structure here. You see that we have what is support here. The market has been respecting here on the support level. Then this guy now closed bearish. So I'm expecting a sell. So we took a sell here, but market took us out. Let me show you here. So this is the DTR on BTC for this week now. Can you see we had a sell limit right here and market went straight and took us out on that. So now what we'll be doing now is we are still going for that sell. That is if this strategy is giving us the opportunity. All right, if we can have a daily resistance, maybe we now have a bearish candle, then we have a zone that we're going to be using for our continuation for sell on this BTC. You understand? So we are going to wait till tomorrow and see what we're going to have. Yeah.
What's the meaning of TTR?
GU. DTR is top down analysis, top down reversal. GU. Top down reversal.
Okay.
Now my strategy. Here I just quit. Yeah, mainly for synthetics.
Don't think why I joined live now. What?
Only for synthetics, not for. It doesn't work on currency pairs. It doesn't work on currency pairs. Only on synthetics. It works sometimes, but I'm still working on it.
If I say don't think why I don't join live last week.
Okay, I will explain now. Just give me a minute. I will explain now. All right, so I think I give bias on this GU that GU should be a buy for the week. Just keep looking for buy for this week. Okay, so because today is Monday, I will advise you to stay away. Look for opportunity from tomorrow. You understand? Go to 4 hours, look for opportunity from tomorrow. Today is Monday, so market can just be playing around, be doing some follow. So what I expect is now is market should just give you some break. Okay, then you can now buy either from here. All right, use this area as your inducement area. Use this area and start buying from that zone. But today I will advise you don't engage any buy today, because market can drop later in the day or tomorrow morning. Then you just see market start to push up again. So, and I don't know if there's high impact news for this week. If there's high impact news, let me see. You need to be careful. So we have a news tomorrow 7. We have a news tomorrow as well 1 o'clock. So just check if there's news so that you know what to do. I'm not paying attention to currency pairs. So let me quickly explain how this thing works, right? So let me use this BTC for example. Let me use this BTC for example how it works. So this strategy TDR is created by my humble self, like I said, and you can only trade this strategy either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Anything Friday, stay away. And you cannot trade this strategy over the weekend.
Does it work for swing or just for daily?
No, it's a swing. It's only 4 hours entry time frame. Only 4 hours. 4 hours. So
okay. And when you are talking that it doesn't work for Friday.
No. Once you engage in a trade, the trade can run till weekend, till
Yeah.
following week sef if possible. But say you want to engage on a trade, you cannot engage on Friday. And weekend, you cannot even trade it over the weekend. You cannot engage, you cannot see a setup over the weekend. But you can have a running trade that is a running that runs into the weekend. So now, and what we look out for, first thing first, is to get your weekly bias. Once you get your weekly bias correctly, you have an edge. Then you go to your daily time frame to mark out your either daily resistance or support. You mark it out, and the daily must be formed. The daily support or resistance must be formed from Saturday till Wednesday. That is why I said it's not tradable over the weekend. It has to be either
Wait. The daily
support
resistance must be formed from Friday to Thursday.
from Saturday till Wednesday, in between.
Okay.
Let me break it down.
Okay.
It might be Saturday candle and Sunday candle that is going to form the support. It might be Sunday stroke Monday that is going to form the support or resistance. It might be Monday stroke Tuesday that is going to form the support or resistance.
Okay.
It might be Tuesday stroke Wednesday candle that is going to form it. So once you see that, you go to your 4 hours for entry. So let me use this as example. Let us go to weekly time frame. Now let us use this candle as example. We are going to assume that all of this candle is not printed. Market give us a nice rejection from here, and overall on this BTC.
That berry stand.
Yes, this one. That's what we want to trade. I want to use it for example. So we want to get our weekly bias. This is the last week candle that closed. It rejects here, and the overall bias of this thing is actually sell, right? Because I have a rejection here, I'll be looking for sell. If I'm selling, I have a key level here and I have a key level down here. All right, so I'll be looking for sell. So I know that the following week, which is this week, I want to sell. That is it. Second thing is I want to go to my daily time frame to look for what? Our resistance. So this candle was Monday 20 and this is Monday 27. Let me just put a mark here. So we go to your what? Our daily. So which day was this? This is on Sunday, and this is what? On Monday. Can you see? So this is our valid area for our entry. Because we want to sell, right? And this is the Sunday candle and Monday candle that created the resistance. So we're going to mark it out like this. Mark the resistance level out. That is our TLD, right?
Yeah.
Then you go to your 4 hours for entry. So now for the entry, there are two ways of using this entry, direct stop. It's either you mark the full order block candle, or you use the resistance that is on fresh, that has not been mitigated.
Which other block?
I will show you on 4 hours. Yes, on 4 hours you can mark out the full order block, or you use a resistance level that has not been mitigated if you have it. You understand? Or sometimes you might have alignment. Your daily and 4 hours can be giving you alignment. If you have alignment, just use that same area and make sure your SL is above the wick. So we go to 4 hours for entry now. Now in this case, can you see that it is alignment that we are having here? In this case, So assuming we have a 4-hour resistance level that is here, that is not mitigated, I will use that area. And if I realize that we have a fresh area that has not been mitigated, and we have the other block too, which the candle is not actually big, you can decide to mark the full other block. It depends. But for this kind of scenario, because you have alignment, we are going to be having our entry from this same point. Okay, this same point like this, our SL is going to be here. Then you place your sell limit. So this style, it is pending order, it works well with. Okay, you have your pending order like this. Then you go back, you can use 4 hours, but at least you must get minimum of 1 to 3. So because you are taking this kind of trade, you should allow your trade to run. It's not that maybe market can't dey push, you can't close am. No, if I'm to take this trade now, I will take my TP to this low here. I will take my TP to this guy here, and here is going to be giving you 1 to 7. That's why I'm going to hold my TP. And if you are doing with confirmation, say you want to wait for market to reject first, right? The disadvantage is something like this. Market can trigger and close this below. You know, this is 4 hours. Assuming 15 minutes now here, but 4 hours, market can just trigger and close like this. You will have a long gap. So for you to now engage will be difficult because you will have a bigger sell.
Yeah.
You understand? So this is the strategy.
The entry have gone already.
Yes, it has gone already. It has gone already. So that is that. So
Sure,
this
sure.
our trade that is actually running now is let me show you. This trade that I'm hoping that is looking like is going to be a miss trade. It might be a miss trade. Is it V25S? Yes, V25S. Let me show you. On 4 hours. So now this guy now, look at this. I said it that if you want to mark your entry, you might mark it this way, like the one we mark now. Or if you realize that maybe the candle is not that big, you can decide to use the other block like this.
Mark the other block.
You can decide if you know that you are okay with it. So market has tapping on the other block and now it's pushing. It might be pushing like that without coming here again. Because the other block, see what we could have done, right? The other block here, the zone I mark, is aligned with our daily. Look at the daily. Can you see the daily resistance? You see the alignment?
Oh, exactly.
So I saw it. I saw this. But the reason why I don't want to use that area is because if I use that area, I will want to put my SL at this week. So I don't want my SL to be too big. This is what we will be doing. At least, this is what we'll be doing. You could have been this way now. Market go down the run now. So you get. So that is that. So we are still going to wait and see. Maybe market is going to tap. If it doesn't tap, if it goes, no wala. So that is the strategy all about.
That's a nice strategy, man.
This strategy you cannot see it anywhere. Now me get the key. Anybody will come say, now you get what to do that. Make it come unlock and I get the key. Nobody. So we're going to see how it goes this week by the grace of God. I hope this guy can actually push back. I know some of my brother here will not be happy with this trade. Because seriously, I wanted to use that same area for entry because of that alignment. Because of that alignment on that
that block is somehow small.
It's small. You understand? You understand? It's small. That's why I say when you have the other block that is small like this, you can just use the other block and mark it all and take your trade.
And it's even exactly matched with that
the daily resistance. Yes.
That daily resistance.
Yes. Abdullah said, what is the win rate? In fact, the win rate they scare me. You can go and do back testing. Don't let me to just go and do back testing on synthetics. Go and do back testing with this. Go and do back testing. The only way you can have error is when you get your weekly bias wrong. If your weekly bias is telling you sell and you go for buy and you see a setup for buy, definitely it's going to take your ass. And the reason for you not to be taking trade on Friday, make I not share that one. I think I share it with my students, so you guys don't really need that. You understand? You guys don't really need that. So don't just trade it on Friday. If a candle is printing, a daily candle is printing, right? And it's printing bearish like this, a daily candle, and it's now around 8 o'clock in the evening, and the daily candle is like this. What do you think is going to happen? Is it not going to close bearish? 99.9 that is going to close bearish like that. That is the reason why Friday is excluded. If you understand, you can understand without the talk. So that is that.
Friday no be good day to be trading itself.
So this strategy doesn't fit Friday. And it's going to teach you how to be patient. It's going to teach you how to hold trade. And this thing, there's no shortcut. There's no shortcut in this strategy. No shortcut. Yes. There's no shortcut in this strategy. You understand? So guys, I will be leaving soon. Shatizi, what do you say? You said please. Let me know why you say please. So now only please I see you. God bless you.
I don't live like that.
Benediski, thank you. Now in learning you did now.
Yeah, now in learning.
Okay, báwo ni learning? Ṣé learning dùn?
Learning dùn.
It is well.
You know, say I tell you, say I won't come Lagos.
Yeah. Which time they come?
Na ending of this month.
Okay.
Na ending of this month.
Ah, that's good. We did gallant here.
But we go chat for WhatsApp now.
No wala. No wala, sir.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Family, if you have any questions, send your request before I will be closing this live stream.
What I said is, let me check B1 there, so go see something there.
Please contact me after my session. I should contact you. Why should I contact you? Do you want to give me $1 million? Or you want to buy me car? I need somebody that can dash me car. Come and buy me car, guys. Come and buy me car.
Can you see, boss?
Yeah. The push, Abi.
I do my selling in there.
Okay.
For 4 hours.
For 4 hours.
Yes, sir.
Babe, please send me to call Jared, please. Where you want sell from? Yeah?
No, it's just selling me a place. Selling me, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I place my distance. That's my entry. I put my SF for that high.
This high?
Yes.
Is it not volatile?
No, not too volatile. Just only $12.
So 100x is not volatile?
No. $12.
Are you serious? What is our bias here, sir? Let me check. What is our bias here? I have sent you messages on WhatsApp. Okay. All right, Omi. Immediately I finish. In fact, plenty message don't dey my WhatsApp now. I'm going to reply you. Jared Oyalide. Plenty messages on WhatsApp now. I'm going to reply definitely. What's our buyer? What am I looking for here? What do I want to do? Okay. Yeah, I think I want to sell. Yeah, I want to sell. Yeah, I have a support level here. Yeah, I want to sell this guy. He said I actually want to sell. He said I want to sell. So until I see a daily resistance level. So if this daily should close like this and it give me another daily short, then I'm going to be having a resistance where I'll be using for my entry. So that is that for that. Okay. So guys, if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. And if you want to join our VIP, okay. Before you go to VIP, make sure you join our live stream every day. As you can see, 9 a.m. in the morning, Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday is anytime in the afternoon. We live stream both on YouTube and TikTok. All right, do well to join us. And this is for our this mentorship class. This discount has been closed. No discount for mentorship again. It has been closed. So for our VIP group, we have $20 for monthly subscription. 2 weeks is for $10, and this $10 I will be removing it anytime soon. So we have this discount for 1 year subscription, which is $200 for 1 year subscription. There's discount of 2 months, okay. Yeah, discount of 1 month, which is $100 for 6 months. All right, to join the VIP. So guys, I really appreciate you today. Thank you so much. Do well to enjoy yourself, and if there's any setup, of course I will let you know. And we hope market can trigger us on our sell, on our pending orders. All right, don't rush the market. Okay, take it slow and steady. Is LLP strategy okay for volatility index? SLP is what? Who can remind me? SLP strategy, how did they used to do it? Because we have plenty strategy now, don't forget to. So you need to do your back testing and see if it's actually okay. Do your back testing if it's okay. You understand? If it's okay. All right. One thing I know is all strategies are actually good. It depends on how you use them. Okay, structure, liquidity, and of course now, if it is structure, liquidity, and POI, come on, it works anywhere it works. It just depends on how you use them. It depends on how. If you understand the language of the market, there's no strategy that you cannot use to trade. There is no strategy you cannot use to trade if you understand the language of the market. So I will be saying a goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the music, and I will be seeing you tomorrow by the grace of God. Amen. Take care, family.
Every loss is just a lesson. Don't give in. Stay disciplined. That's what champions begin.